Welcome back to our channel. So today we are diving into the fascinating world of a design pattern in Python. Especially we will exploring the three different pattern in three different video with managing and controlling instance of a class. So first we will cover singleton design pattern, then Borg design pattern, and then monostate design pattern. So if you wonder how to ensure there is only one instance of a class, or if you are curious about the efficiency instance sharing, you are at the right place. So let's get started. So first we will look into the singleton design pattern. So imagine you have a class and you want to make sure that only one instance of a class exists throughout the entire program. So this is where the singleton design pattern comes into the play. It restricts the installation of a class to just one object. So it's mainly using the singleton. It's mainly using the class DB. Maybe when in project you only want a single connections of a DB to make all the queries. So we declare a class DB in a project, and everywhere where you want to make a connection, you call the class and just make a commit or query. So how to implement it? Create a class named DB and then instance. So when there is a private constructor new which we can handle this case. So if class dot instance is none, means there is no instance of a class already declared. So we declare a new instance of a class and store the address in the instance variable. And if instance is already declared or class is already in the memory, then we return the memory. If we check about the db1 is equal to db2, means both the class are equal or not, we will get the true answer. So here is implementation. Mainly this will go in your project. If you use it, it will go in the utilities or in the settings to so that every child component or child Python file can import this. So in this next video we'll cover about the Borg design pattern. So thank you.